Okay, I bought this remote control for my Raspberry Pi plane, and it ships together with this Windows program. And what it does is basically it monitors all your server outputs, also like throttle and yaw and these knobs, and then you can do some configuration like mixes. At first, this is a Windows program, and I will show you how to run it on Linux. The first thing is we have to make it use the COM1 port, but the COM1 port is bound to dev TTY-S0, but we need it to bind to TTY USB 0. This is mapped to port COM33, but the problem is the program only has port 1 to 20, so we cannot access port COM33. And what we do is we have to somehow link 33 to COM1. And this is a bit tricky. So at first you open some random wine program like wine console, because opening wine will reset all this folder. And so if I start wine console, it resets the folder, but then after it's once started, does not reset it anymore. So now I can manipulate the whole thing. So I remove, so it's in .wine/DOS devices. I remove COM1, and then I say ln -s. ln is the link command. COM33 to COM1. ls -lh will show us the result, and now I have COM1 mapped to COM33. So that's it basically. Now I have port TTY USB on in Wine, and I can use this great program. So I thought, I don't like this program, I want my Linux version. So since I want to control Raspberry Pis with it, I just made a config that just puts the raw output to all that puts the raw knob positions to all outputs. So and then I somehow refactored the UART protocol. So this remote control has a cable, and this cable builds up a UART connection with USB to the computer. And I just sniffed a bit in a UART protocol, and I came up with a cool program that reads out the same values but puts them to a Node.js program. This is it. And now I can just normally do the same as here. It's a really useless program because I always need this cable to the computer to read it out, but it's very cool for debug purposes to read out the values. In the next step, I will read out the same values at the receiver endpoint.